fight, you know. Then if we want to look at something maybe a little bit more middle level, someone that's got agreeable personality.
Cool.
That one you know of, yeah? Yeah, so agreeable, bubbly.
Agreeable, I got it. Bubbly, no. It's a
Bubbly
new word.
is
Bubbly.
okay. Well, bubbly, if somebody's got a bubbly personality, they're just like, it's kind of like me, like kind of happy and smiling all the time, like bubbly, you know?
Actually, actually, there's a word, bubbly, in Hindi, and this is the name of girl.
Of oh, oh, there we
So,
go.
so
Oh,
I know this word as a name of a person. Okay, of a girl.
oh,
Yeah,
oh, okay. Yeah. So this is now bubbly. So let me think what else.
aggressive.
So aggressive. Yeah, aggressive is one you mentioned earlier. And so that's someone that is looking for a fight.
So two types of words, right? Two types of
Yeah.
words. So we can divide like the positive words, negative
Yes.
words.
Yes. Yeah.
Positive word for positive person.
Those are for likable
Positive
characteristics.
characteristic.
Yes, yes. And then we have ah, so strong-headed, which is another word for stubborn
Okay.
or
A strong.
determined.
You mean it's a synonym of stubborn?
It can be. So if somebody is strong-headed, they are kind of like they can be stubborn, but they can also be very determined.
Okay,
And
so
I
it's like
suppose
neutral. Neutral.
no, it's more they are excessive in one way or the other.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So they
So
if they're
according to
strong-headed,
situation, right?
yes. So like they're not easily controlled and they
Mm-hmm.
will do what they want. So that's why I'm saying determined, because it can also be very good if a person is determined in that sense. Like I'm strong-headed, I'm going for my goals and I'm going to achieve them.
Okay, so okay, make me correct if I make a mistake. So as far as I know, if I use determine for a person,
Yes.
so it's more in a positive way, right?
Yes.
So if I say that I'm determined to do that, it means I'm gonna do a positive work which has positive result, which might give me a positive result. I mean. Okay,
Yes.
so here in this case, as you are saying, determined, so it's kind of giving a negative sense, right?
No, it's actually positive still. Like so you would say something like um so strong-headed, that's why I say this one can be positive and negative. So like if you are talking about maybe your daughter or your wife or your sister, and they like you're telling a story where somebody was trying to push that person over, you know, and be
Okay,
like, oh, but don't worry about her, she's strong-headed, she'll get the job done. You know what I'm saying? So that is
yeah,
positive. But if you're saying like, oh my goodness, you know, he or she won't listen to me, they're just so strong-headed, that would
yeah.
be negative, you know? So it depends. It's very situational.
So which word would you use for the person who trolled you today?
I would say bitter. I
Mm-hmm.
would say narcissistic.
Mm.
Um, I would say, yeah, I think those two. You know, I think there must be, and I don't like to be judgy of people I don't know, but I really feel like for you to go into a platform, see something positive that somebody has said about someone else, and then try to take that away from that person, that to me is narcissistic. I think, like, why, I got a very nice response. You don't even know me, but you want to take it away from me. you know and pig-headed, which is not a nice I don't really like using that word.
Pigheaded, it's like abusive word, right? Maybe.
Yeah, so pig-headed is
Write it,
obstinate.
write it,
Yeah,
write
yeah,
it.
I'll write it for you. Here, I'm
Thank
gonna
you
put
so
it
much.
here. Pig-headed here. Okay,
Okay,
so yeah,
pigheaded.
pig-headed. It's usually very negative, you know. Stupidly obstinate. So you are like just going forward, not listening to reason or understanding of any kind.
So I'm just thinking that why in this word they used, I mean the creator of this word,
Yeah.
why did they use pig? It means there's a connection between pig and this word, right?
Not
Uh,
pig the animal. Um, so when we talk about somebody that is crude or rude or has no manners, we just say, oh, what a pig. So pig-headed would probably be where that came from. Because
actually, whenever we use a word, okay, of animal or anything, it means we are just trying to show the nature of that thing.
ah, yeah, but
Okay,
do you think pigs are like this though? I don't think they're bad animals.
or maybe the creator of this word looked something different or unique and just wanted to create this word, which is not seen by common people in general, as
Yes.
I'm thinking.
Maybe. But let's do some positive words before our time run out. So,
Why?
gracious. Gracious,
Okay.
I think, is a very lovely word, especially when you speak about another person. I think it's probably one of the highest honors you can say is somebody's gracious.
Can you write this word, please?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Gracious.
Gracious.
Okay. Gracious. Yeah, yeah. Gracious.
We have just
Um,
left Schnell.
yes, yes. So I think we can stop there. We gave some good words as well.
Yes, right, right, right. One, two, three, four, five, six, and seven. So we covered seven words.
Yeah, I think we did one that we didn't add here, but
Yeah.
a stubborn. We also talked about stubborn, but we didn't talk about what it was, what it meant.
We used several words as synonyms,
Yeah,
and I'll also try my best to put some words on my side. Okay.
of course, of course. But it was so good to see you. I always enjoy our chats. And
Thank
I
you.
am following you on YouTube, just so you know.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
Okay, Snell. I write you on the chat. Okay.
Okay, okay,
As I
sure.
think the time is over, so maybe buffering minutes is going on.